I'm Jared from Jaguar Land Rover North Scottsdale, and today we're in a 2018 Range Rover Sport. Today we're going to be going over how to customize the digital driver's display. Okay, first thing we're going to do is press the menu button in the center of the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Currently we are in display. You can scroll over with either the left or right arrows. We're going to go down into info panel. And in here you can change what is in the center section of these two dials. So you could have your media, you could have a map view, driver assistance, trip, media, or off-road information. If we go down into display layout and select that, we can go into one dial. Now we do not have a separate speedometer, but rather the tachometer and the speedometer are combined. You still have a readout for both the speed and RPM you're at, but now you can configure two separate sides. If we press the left arrow to go back, now we have both the left info panel and right info panel. So currently our right is set as a map, but we can change the left to be anything else we want. So we're going to change this to media. We're going to hold the left arrow to escape that, and currently we have our media on our left side and our map on the right side. We're going to go back into display layout. You can also get a full map view. This is really beneficial for like city driving and or longer road trips, so you don't have to constantly look down at the center screen. You can always look at the driver's display. We also have a media mode that just displays the album, the art, the song, and the artist. They really give you these display layouts to just figure out what kind of style you like. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.